Students, good morning. Previous class we have discussed the product rule, integration of f of x into g of x dx equal to f of x integration of g of x dx minus whole integration f dash x into g of x whole dx. Sorry, integration of g of x dx whole dx. In this, the selection of first function most important, which is the first function here. Use IH. First inverse, next logarithm. So this is the first function, and this is second function. Integration of log x into x dx. F of x is log x. Integration of g of x is x dx minus. This is algebra, this is logarithm. Integration of d by dx of log x, d by dx of log x, integration of x dx and whole dx. Log x, x integration, x square by 2 minus derivative of log x is 1 by x. X integration, x square by 2 dx. Get cancelled. So 1 by 2 log x into x square minus 1 by 2 constant integration of x dx. 1 by 2 x square log x minus 1 by 2 integration of x square by 2 plus. So 1 by 2 x square log x minus x square by 4 plus c. Next, the question number 5, integration of x log 2x dx. X log 2x dx. Integration of log 2x is the first function, x is the second function. Tell me here, integration of, can I write like this? u v dx. U is f of x, v is g of x. U v dx equal to short form is u integration of v dx minus integration of u dash du by dx, integration of v dx and whole dx. This is formula. Instead of f of x and g of x, I have taken u and v. This is the u and this is the v. Tell me. U log of 2x. Integration of x dx minus integration of d by dx of log 2x, integration of x dx and whole dx. Now log 2x, integration of x is x square by 2 minus derivative of log 2x is 1 by log 2x into d by dx of log 2x, 1 by 2x, 1 by 2x, integration of x square by whole dx, right? This get cancelled. Understood? Sorry, this is what I done wrong. I done wrong here. Log x differentiation is 1 by x, 1 by 2x into 2x differentiation is 2 into x integration x square by whole dx. This get cancelled, x get cancelled. So x square into log 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2 constant integration of x dx. So x square log 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2 x integration x square by 2 plus c. So x square by 2 take common, log 2x minus 1 by 2 plus c. Next, question number 6, integration of x square log x dx. Which is the first function? Log x. Integration of log x into x square dx. This is u and this is v. Equal u log x integration of x square dx minus d by dx of log x integration of x square dx and whole dx. Log x integration of x square x cube by 3 minus derivative of log x is 1 by x. X square integration x cube by 3 into dx. So x cube into log x by 3 minus get cancel 1 by 3 constant x square dx. X square dx. X cube log x by 3 minus 1 by 3 x square integration x cube by 3 plus finish. Multiply here x cube by 3 get common log x minus 1 by 3 plus. Seventh question. Integration of x into sin inverse x dx. X into sin inverse x dx. Which is the u first function? Sin inverse x. This is u and this is algebra v. Integration of sin inverse x into x dx. Formula u sin inverse x. Next integration of v x dx minus integration of this differentiation d by dx of differentiation of first function into integration of second function and whole dx. Sin inverse x integration of x x square by 2 and derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square integration of x square by 2 dx. So x square into sin inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2 x square by root of 1 minus x square dx. Now let's find this integration. Yes. This minus right here plus 1, here minus. Yes. Understood? Add plus 1 and minus 1. Add plus 1 and minus 1. Then this we can split here. X square. So x square by 2 sin inverse x by 2 plus 1 by 2. Add to get this form. Add plus 1. 1 minus x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now x square by sin inverse x by 2 plus 1 by 2. Splitting here 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Right? This is here. This is x by root x. X by root x is root x. The 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square equal to root of 1 minus x square. So x square into sin inverse x by 2 plus 1 by 2 integration of root of 1 minus x square dx. This root of 1 minus x square, I can write it 1 minus x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Splitting here x square into sin inverse x by 2 plus 1 by 2 integration of root of 1 minus x square dx minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. What about this integration? Sin inverse x by a means 1. But this is further. Next class we will get this formula. Now I am writing this formula. The proof I will discuss the next exercise. So this concept is integration of root of a square minus x square dx formula. As per latest syllabus, this is how removed. Okay, but even though I will discuss, because this concept, this formula, to solve this integration, we need this formula. Understood? Integration of root of a square minus x square formula is x by 2 root of a square minus x square, okay, minus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. This is the formula for this. Where here a is 1. So 1 by x square into sine inverse x by 2 plus 1 by 2. Tell me this formula. X by 2 root of a 1 minus x square a 1 by 2 sine inverse of x minus 1 by 2. This is equal to sine inverse of x. Simplify. X square sine inverse x by 2 plus x by x into root of 1 minus x square by 4 minus 1 by 4 sine inverse x minus 1 by 2 sine inverse x plus c. This is add, will get minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 1 by 2 is 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 sine inverse x, right? Plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus here plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 sine inverse x. So you can get x square sine inverse x by 2 plus x into root of 1 minus x square by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 sine inverse x plus c. This formula proof will discuss in the next exercise. So integration of root of a square minus x square, x square minus a square, x square minus a square. There are 3 formulas out there. Integration of x into tan inverse x dx. X into tan inverse x dx. First function u tan inverse x. Inverse ordered function. X is algebra second function. Is the first and this is second. Tell me formula tan inverse x. As per formula tan inverse x, integration of second function minus whole integrate, differentiation of first function, integration of x dx and whole dx. Tan inverse x, integration of x, x square by 2. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square and x integration x square by 2 dx. So x square tan inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2 constant x square by 1 plus x square dx. This is improper. To get this, add 1. To get denominator form, add 1 numerator, add 1 and subtract 1. Okay, x square tan inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2 1 plus x square minus 1 add 1 and subtract 1 1 plus x square dx and split, we get proper fraction, or by using division algorithm also you may get it. This is shortcut for that. X square tan inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2 integration, this way is 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. This get cancelled. So x square into tan inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. X square tan inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 x minus 1 by 1 plus x square integration tan inverse x plus c. Simplify. X square tan inverse x by 2 minus x by 2 plus tan inverse x by 2 plus. Here root not there. There we have then there is root is there. So because of the root, by splitting, we got this form, root of 1 minus x. Are you following? Here, root will be there. So because of the root, we got a root of 1 minus x square. There is no formula for this. In further exercise, you will get this formula. A square minus x square. Here, no root. If there is no root, means it is improper. If it is improper, make it proper by using division algorithm. So I have done shortcut. What denominator 1 is there. So to make 1 in numerator, add 1 and minus 1. So we get this is proper. Degree numerator is 0 and this is proper. This is quotient 1 minus r of x by g of x. Question number 9. Integration of x into cos inverse x dx. Cos inverse x, take as a u first function, x is the b second function. Cos inverse x, integration of second function, whole integrate of differentiation of first functions, and integration of x dx and whole dx. So cos inverse x, integration of x, x square by 2 minus derivative of cos inverse x minus plus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Here we get minus integration of x, x square by 2 dx. Okay, x square into cos inverse x by 2 minus root of 1 minus x square, constant is 1 by 2 minus x square. Yes, the root is there. To get this form in the numerator, add 1 and subtract 1. Okay, x square cos inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2, add 1 minus x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. X square into cos inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2, this by this, integration of 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. X square into cos inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2, integration of 1 minus x square by root of 1 minus x square equal to root of 1 minus x square d x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So x square into cos inverse x by minus 1 by 2, integration of root of 1 minus x square dx minus plus 1 by 2, integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. This is the formula. Integration of root of a square minus x square dx equal formula x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by e. Now x square into cos inverse x by 2 minus 1 by 2, this formula x by 2 root of 1 minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a x plus 1 by 2, this is sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. Understood? Or private minus cos inverse x also we can write. Root of integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal to either sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x. Both correct. So x square into cos inverse x by 2 minus x by 4 root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by 4 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 sin inverse x plus c. X square into cos inverse x by 2 minus x into root of 1 minus x square by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 4 sin inverse x plus c. If you want make simplify this sin inverse x, we can write minus pi by 2 minus cos inverse x also. Then you can take common cos inverse x. Okay, you can write in terms of cos inverse x or like this. Right? Like this also, if you leave it, you will get marks. You won't lose. Okay, you can express in form of sin inverse x or cos inverse x. Okay, if you want to convert into cos inverse x, this place you write pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. This comes under C only. So cos inverse x, if you take common, here x square by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus x into root of 1 minus x square by 4. 1 by 4 into pi by 2, pi by 8. Pi by 8 plus c is all comes under c only together. C. Here take LCM here 4. We get here 2x square minus 1 by 4 cos inverse x minus x into root of 1 minus x to the 4th place. This is also correct. Up to this you can also correct. Both are same. Next, take the question. Integration of sin inverse x whole square dx. Integration of sin inverse x is inverse trigonometric function. Only first one function is there. Another if not there another function, then consider as unity 1. Second function consider as 1 dx. This is u and this is v. Product rule. There is no second function. In such case, you consider as 1. Second function consider as 1. 1 is algebra. This is inverse trigonometric function. Use formula sin inverse x whole square. Integrate of second function 1 dx minus d by dx of first function sin inverse x whole square. Integration of 1 dx and whole dx. So sin inverse x whole square. Integration of 1 dx is x. Derivative of sin inverse x whole square. First of all, which is the form of x square. X square differentiation is 2 sin inverse x into sin inverse x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square into integration of 1 is x dx. Understood? Sin inverse x whole square. Integration of here 2 sin inverse x into sin inverse x. Okay. Root of 1 minus x square. This again product will be there here. Sin inverse x into x by root of 1 minus x square. This is considered as u and this is again v. X into sin inverse x whole square minus 2 constant. Here again product rule. Sin inverse x considered as u and x by root of 1 minus x square considered as v. This is u and this is v. Understood? Again use the formula x into sin inverse x whole square minus 2. Tell me u sin inverse x. Next integration of x by root of 1 minus x square dx minus whole integration d by dx of sin inverse x. Integration of x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Whole dx. Now x into sin inverse x whole square minus 2 sin inverse x into this is integration of again find denominator here under root 1 minus x square differentiation is minus 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 2x not there. So can I multiply like this? Minus 1 by 2 into minus 2x. F dash x by root f of x. Integration. 2 root f of x. F dash x by root f of x equal to 2 root f of x. So here minus 1 by 2 into 2 root of 1 minus x square. Are you following? Here formula f dash x root of f of x dx equal to 2 root f of x plus c. In previous class we have seen this. Yes. Next minus derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is same. Tell me this is answer you get. 2 get cancelled. Tell me this answer is minus root of 1 minus x square. After get cancelled. Or write like this, minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 root of 1 minus x square. Understood? This get cancelled. This get cancelled. Okay, finish. So x into sine inverse x whole square minus 2 is overall common, 2 into sine inverse x, right, into root of 1 minus x square minus integration of this get cancelled minus 1 dx minus plus dx. Finish. So x into sine inverse x whole square minus 2 sine inverse x into root of 1 minus x square plus integration of 1 dx plus. Here, once again listen here. After getting this is again to solve the integration. Sine inverse x considered as u and x square root of 1 minus x considered as v. This is algebra and this is inverse trigonometric function. Again proceed the product rule. Sine inverse x u. Integration of this minus use as per the formula this is have it. To find this integration, f dash x by root f of x equal to 2 root f of x. So 1 minus x square differentiation is minus 2x. Here minus 2 not there. Minus 2 not there. So we should multiply by minus 2. Denominator and numerator. Then this derivative f dash x by, it look like integration of f dash x by root f of x.